when people are concerned about things online, and one of the reasons that most healthcare have not put this data online is because they can't guarantee, that it would be compliant with HIPAA and be safe. So that's why they hand me the CD-ROM, because even then they know most likely I don't own a disk drive to even read the disk, which was the problem in and of itself.
The hell is a disk drive?
Yeah. So it's like hand me a floppy disk and it's guaranteed safe. But Michael, how are you guys managing to ensure that your platform is safe and secure, that the data does stay where it's supposed to be?
Yeah, so we do have a public alliance with Arizona State with their blockchain group, and they are world class. This is Dragon and his group, and they have built in partial. They have built a HIPAA compliant blockchain solution, the only one that we know of that also can use layer 0. So we've got kind of two components, to this, to ensure that we're getting the right data. And then the blockchain, because it's HIPAA compliant and CDPR, and have certain permissions, on it that are healthcare, related, and being a blockchain, the data that once it moves through there is immutable, and you as the user. That'll be explained, obviously. And so the privacy and security components also include the ability of the user to delete anything that they want to delete. So if you want to delete all your data, boom, it's gone. You have that ability to do that. So the system is in place. And then the storage of a third of all data generated on a daily basis is healthcare data. So, that's exabytes and exabytes. I don't even know. It's so much. I read a paper the other day that claims that healthcare data, all healthcare data, now doubles every 3 days. It used to be 3 months, 10 years ago. Now it's every 3 days. There's so much generated, right? So, the cloud storage and whatever also has to be, HIPAA compliant, CDPR compliant, FIFO rules, whatever. So we got all that built in there. And again, as you know, there's nothing more regulated than healthcare, but because of the ability to have a blockchain that's decentralized, that really, helps with the idea of security and immutability, which you mentioned earlier.